Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change system colors on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In settings you want to go down to wallpaper and style. Over here choose color palette, and now we need to enable this option. And now over here we can choose the wallpaper colors palette. So as you can see, every time I change it, the whole interface is changing. And we can also go for basic colors, where we can select just a simple color that will be applied for our interface. At the top over here you can see the preview, how it looks like with the changes. And once you find your ideal color palette, then you can also apply the palette to app icons. So if you feel like it, then of course go for it. And finally at the bottom, tap apply in order to save the changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.